welcome back to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. I'm Connie from Faff Designs and I'm one of your Dixie Belle brand ambassadors. In the video today, I have got the teeniest chest of drawers in the world and I am painting them with a brand new shade of silk mineral paint from Dixie Belle. It's called Glacier, it's the loveliest neutral and I'm going to show you what I did. So this is how these miniature drawers started out. You can see they're quite dark wood and they were also waxed, which needed to be removed before I could paint them. And this is how I do it. I first of all scrape the majority of the wax off the surface and then I use white spirits and wire wool. Sometimes this is also known as mineral spirits as well. And that dissolves the wax and then the wire wool just basically agitates it and then you can remove it in a liquid state with a rag. Once all the wax was removed, I then gave it a really good clean with Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner, and this is going to remove any oil on the surface, which can sometimes be in white spirits. So I wanted to make sure that all that was gone, and it also removes any excess dirt or anything that might be trapped in the grain of the wood. Once they're dried, I did give them a light scuff sand, and that's because I'm going to use silk mineral paint, and it is advised to do a quick scuff sand beforehand to make sure that the paint has a best adhesion. So with that prep work out of the way, we can get on to the best part, which is of course painting, and I'm using a brand new shade of silk mineral paint from Dixie Belle called Glacier. It's a really gorgeous off-white neutral tone, and as you can see the coverage is absolutely phenomenal. I'm not having to prime separately with this paint because it has a built-in stain blocking primer already built into the paint. And as I've just mentioned, the coverage on this is absolutely phenomenal. It is covering that dark wood in literally one coat. I did do 2 coats of this because I'm a 2-coat kind of gal and it just makes sense to do 2 coats. But you can just see the coverage on this short video. So this is just a quick whiz over with the second coat. This paint also has a built-in top coat, so I don't need to top coat this separately either. So that's 2 coats of paint done, and as you can see, it's full coverage. The colour is a gorgeous tone, and I am going to lightly distress this because it is going to be living in my kitchen, which is a fairly kind of rustic kind of vibe anyway. So it's going to fit in well with a little bit of distressing, and I also think it's just going to help break up the one colour finish. If you are going to distress silk, do it sooner rather than later because you're going to make your life a lot harder if you wait for this to completely cure. It is very, very tough and very durable. I'm using a 120 grit sheet of paper here off my electric sander, and I'm literally just taking the edges off and exposing the raw wood underneath. Like I say, it's just going to fit in really nicely with my kitchen, and it's just going to help break up that one colour finish. And it really is as simple as that. That's the transformation done. 2 coats of paint, no top coating necessary with this. Really quick and easy to do. So as you can see, I think this shade is going to be a huge hit. It's such a gorgeous neutral. So thank you for watching the video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel and I will catch you next time. Bye!